Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today we're going to be making my really easy and simple black eye burgers. Now, all we're going to need for this recipe is 3 cups of cooked and drained black-eyed peas. Now, if you find them in a can, that works great, or you can cook them in the Instant Pot like I did for 30 minutes at a pressure cook setting with a natural release, and then we'll just drain that water out. We also have 1 cup of quick cooking oats. We have 1 cup of rice. We have a liquid ingredients of 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and then 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And then we have our dry spice mix that includes 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And I normally do this in my stand mixer, but I do get asked a lot of questions. Can you do it with other things? Can I do it by hand? And so I thought I would make these the good old-fashioned way with a bowl and a spoon. And then we're also going to be baking these. So normally I put them on the grill, which you can do, but we're gonna bake these just to show you how we do it. So I'm gonna bring you in here and we're gonna get started on this recipe. The very first thing that we're going to do is take our black-eyed peas, get them in there, and I like to go ahead and just make sure that they get mashed up a good bit. And we'll just mix them up for 15-30 seconds. Those beans have been nice and mashed. Now I go in and add in the rest of our ingredients. We've got our rice, we've got our quick cooking oats, we've got our dry spice mix, and then lastly our liquid ingredient of ketchup and soy sauce. Now all we're gonna do from there is just go ahead and give it a good mix. This is gonna be a little bit of a workout. It's probably gonna take you about a minute or so, and we'll get going on it. That looks good. Now you notice I got my hands in there a little bit messy, but that way you get it nice and mixed. But you see we have a good mixture here. Now from here, all we're going to do is roll them up into balls. Now you can use something like a patty press, but if you don't have one, just go ahead and press it in your hand. You've got a perfectly formed patty. Now we're gonna go ahead and get these gone on a baking sheet in the oven. I'm gonna put them on some parchment paper and at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And they should be ready to go in anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. You'll want to check them depending on how hot your oven runs. I'm back. I got the kitchen tidied up. The kitchen smells absolutely fantastic. I'm here with the black eye burger, which I had some collard greens fresh from the garden, and I was going to use that instead of a bun. It turned out great. 400 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes, and it'll turn out great. You can also put these on the grill, but if you do grill them, I recommend you freeze them first and then throw them on the grill frozen. I'm gonna go ahead and just give this guy a bite. Absolutely fantastic. A great depth of flavor. It's going to have a good amount of flavor, and then it will take on whatever you put on there, whether it's barbecue sauce, ketchup, sriracha, whatever you like, whatever you prefer is gonna go great on this burger. Really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you want to check out some more of my other burger recipes, I'll have the link below. And you can always find them at plantbasedgabriel.com by just searching burgers or going to the burger tab. All whole food, plant-based, all vegan. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And if you haven't already, like and share this post so everybody sees how to make the black eye burger. And as I mentioned before, this recipe, past and future recipes can be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, thanking you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.